Do you ever log into a marketing platform and just feel overwhelmed? You have the data, but no clear direction on what to do next. You're spending money on campaigns and wondering if they're actually working and moving the needle or just draining resources. What if you could remove all the guesswork? In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how ActiveCampaign's Business Goals transforms complexity into confidence and your data into clear, automated action. Now, if you're ready, open your accounts and let's get started. Let me show you how quickly you can get started. You have two paths: building from scratch for a custom goal or using a recipe to launch even faster. The key ingredient necessary to create a business goal is to have a conversion in place. If you need guidance on how to create it, here's a tutorial with the steps you need. First, let's build from scratch. You give your goal a name and tells what a win looks like. Once your goal is named, you can add a description to it and select a label color. Also add the target end date for this goal to be achieved. If you don't have a conversion in place, you can create one from scratch. Select the conversion event, the conversion value, and finish the conversion settings and save. The moment you hit create, Active Intelligence gets to work, automatically generating AI-supported email campaigns and an entire automation workflow to get you started. You go from a blank slate to a complete campaign in a single click. After creating your business goal, you can also add extra assets to it. Now, for the second path, using a recipe. This is your ultimate shortcut. Our recipes are pre-packed strategies for common business objectives. When you choose one, the goal, the conversion, the best practice automation, and an email campaign are all instantly created and linked for you. It is the fastest way to activate a complete, proven customer experience. So, whether you build from scratch or use a recipe, you are set in a few seconds. And this is where all comes together. This is how you build on your wins. You're no longer just managing tasks. You are making strategic decisions with a powerful AI assistant by your side. This is the confidence that comes from knowing every marketing investment is working towards what matters. That every campaign has a clear purpose and that you can finally prove the incredible impact you are making. Stop guessing, start growing, and act boundless. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.